Friends, methods of solutions of differential equation dy by dx is equal to f of xy. This is first order and first degree differential equation. This equation, it can be solved by using the following methods. First one is variable and separable. Second one is homogeneous. Third one is non-homogeneous. Fourth one is exact differential equation. Exact differential equation. Fifth one is reduce into exact. Reduce into exact. Sixth one is linear. Seventh one is Bernoulli's. Bernoulli's differential equation. By using these 7 methods, this differential equation, first order, first degree, can be solved. First method. What is meant by variable and separable method? Let dy by dx is equal to f of xy be the given d, be the given d. If this can be split like as f of x by phi of y, f of x by phi of y, or f of, friends, this is the method of variable and separable. The same variables we transfer to same derivative. Okay. Is dy by dx is equal to f of xy. F of kx ky is equal to f of xy. Then the given d is said to be homogeneous. Homogeneous. In this case, we take y is equal to vx. Y is equal to vx. This one, derivating dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Substituting in this, therefore, v plus x into dv by dx is equal to f of x into vx. F of x into vx. Now substituting this and solving this will come into the method of variable and separable. This one, x into dv by dx is equal to f of x vx minus v. This will be in the form f of x by f of v. F of x by f of v. By method of variable and separable, fv into dv is equal to integral x dx. This will come into variable and separable. This is of the form variable and separable. Simplifying this will be of the form variable and separable. Then we know how to solve this equation. Let dy by dx is equal to a1x a2y plus c1 by b1x plus b2y plus c2, where determinant of b1 b2 is not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. This can be solved by using method of non-homogeneous. Friends, let a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, b1x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. On solving this, let hk be the solution. Hk be the solution. In this case, let us substitute x is equal to capital X plus h, y is equal to capital Y plus k. Dx is equal to capital Dx, dy is equal to capital dy. On substituting this in this, d capital Y by dx is equal to dx by dy. We will get dy by dx is equal to a1 capital X, a2 capital Y, b1 capital X plus b2 capital Y. This is homogeneous form. This is reduces to homogeneous form. It reduces to homogeneous form. Then we know how to solve this equation. In this method, there is also second case. What is that second case? These two are parallel. For suppose a1x, a2y plus c1 is equal to 0, b1x plus c2 are parallel. Let that means a1x plus a2y is equal to k into b1x plus b2y. In this case, let us suppose that u is equal to a1x plus a2y. By using this method, we can solve the remaining can be reduces into method of homogeneous. Okay. Exact. Let dy by dx is equal to f of x by can be expressed in the form of mdx plus mdy is equal to 0, where m is equal to function of xy, n is equal to function of gxy is said to be exact if it is mdx plus mdy is equal to derivative of u of xy. Then given differential equation is called exact differential equation. Its solution is plus integral ndy is equal to 0. Here treating y in these terms not containing x. In this, where the terms are not in x, those terms are only integrated. Here, treating y as constant. Y shall be treated here constant. Method of reduces into exact. Before knowing these methods, we must know integrating factor. About this, we shall have a clear idea. If mdx plus ndy is equal to 0 is not exact differential equation. It can be made into exact it can be made into exact term. Suitable function u of xy. Here u of xy is called integrating factor. Friends, you know what is meant by integrating factor? Integrating factor is a function when you multiply a non-exact differential equation, it will convert into exact. If you multiply u xy m dx, u xy and dy is equal to 0 is exact differential equation. Is exact differential equation. Its solution is treating y as constant, terms not containing x. How to find the integrating factor? In this case, how to find the integrating? If mdx plus mdy is equal to 0 is not exact, but homogeneous. Is not exact but homogeneous. Then mx plus ny is an integrating factor. Equal to 0 is not exact but it is homogeneous. Then 1 by mx plus ny is an integrating factor. On multiplying with 1 by mx plus ny mdx plus 1 by mx plus ny and dy is equal to 0 is exact. Is exact. Its solution is integral 1 by mx plus ny mdx integral mx plus ny and dy is equal to 0. Here treating y as constant, terms not containing x. Okay friends, dy is equal to 0. 0 is of the form y of g xy dx x of g x fy dy is equal to 0. Then 1 by mx minus ny is an integrating factor. You see friends, mdx plus ndy is of the form m means yg of xy, xg of x f of xy dy. Then 1 by mx minus ny is an integrating factor. Multiplying with this 1 by mx minus ny mdx 1 by mx minus ny and dy is equal to 0 is exact. Its solution is treating y as constant and terms not containing x. This is usual. There are two methods also in this methods. Subscribe my YouTube channel.